Meaning of doctrinally.
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 Doctrinally. Doctrinally refers to something that is in accordance with a particular set of beliefs or principles. It describes actions or beliefs that are based on a specific doctrine or established set of rules. When someone acts or thinks doctrinally, they are adhering strictly to the prescribed teachings or beliefs. This term is often used in a religious context, but it can also apply to any set of established principles or beliefs. In short, doctrinally means conforming to a specific set of tenets or beliefs.